What's up, team? Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I want to show you guys some haul. I picked up some new stuff. You guys know I always like to show you guys what I picked up. So I do pick up some new makeup, some clothes. Just want to show you guys what I picked up. So first, I went again to the outlet store and I pick up some not really a lot. So I pick up 4 pieces of tops, but I have to return 2 of the tops because they made a mistake and they didn't fit well, so I need to return it. But I want to show you guys the top that I picked up. So first I picked up these yellow top, so you guys can see. Push the camera a little bit backward, you guys can see, but the lady, she forgot to remove this one and I don't know how to remove it. I've tried how to remove it at home, but I don't know how to remove it. But I'm happy I have the receipt because I almost threw the receipt away yesterday. I almost threw the receipt away, but I'm happy I have the receipt so I can just go and return it because I've tried to remove this thing but I can't remove it. And the top also, after I put it on, I didn't like the way it fits, you know, it doesn't fit good, so this one has to go back. I'm also going to show you the green one. Also have the same issue with it. The green one fits a little bit, but also she forgot to remove this one, and I was so happy that because I first went to the store before I went to the Zara and to the AC Paris, but the alarm didn't go off when I went to these 2 shops. So I was like, thank God that the alarm didn't went off, because if it went off, it would have been so embarrassing. But yeah, this one is also the one of the top I picked up, and the prices for this one was like €3, and this one is €3 as well, the same price. But I have to return these 2 because of the alarm. They have to go and remove the button, and also it didn't fit well, so I have to go and return it. And then I picked up this one. This one is just a normal top. I really like it. I love the fact it has this thing here, this elastic rope. I just love it like this. I have been trying to know how to sew a clothes with this elastic rope, but I'm not yet good at it. But I want to try something like this, some DIY with African prints with this one. So when I picked this up, I thought this would be nice as an example for me to sew what I want to sew. So I picked this up for €5, as you guys can see, and this one is extra small, but because of the way the material is very loose, so it fits very well. And you guys know your girl is not, I'm not really big on the chest, so this is quite okay for me. Oh yeah, the one of this thing is missing, but I do have these things in my DIY sewing machine thing, so I'll just fix one and hook it. So yeah, this one I'm keeping it. And then I also pick up this white top as well. Some of you guys who follow me on my Instagram or my Facebook like page, whenever I have this clothes on, definitely you guys gonna see them. So this one also is a very nice one. It's the same price, €5, and I really like it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep these 2, and these 2 has to go back. Put in a receipt in the bag so I don't miss that. And then where else? I went to the Zara. And I saw this white dress at the Zara, and I thought, you know what, let me just pick it up. There's nothing wrong with picking things up. And this is very long, but you guys, let me just show you guys the top of the dress. It's a very long white dress. I'm just gonna fold it because I'm not going to wear it, but this is how the dress look like. It's just a normal, like a t-shirt dress, long one, and I get this one in medium. This one cost me €10, and it's pretty long. I can't wait to wear this one. You guys are definitely gonna see pictures of me wearing this one. This is the only stuff I got in Zara because of the line was so much, and I didn't really have time to stand there. So I thought, let me just get this one and get out because it was so much line. And then I went to the Issy Paris and I got the Jackie. I got the Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette because I saw on the Issy Paris website they were having sales on the eyeshadows, all eyeshadows on the websites, on the store. They were having sales. So I thought, you know what, let me go to the store and see the Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette and see how it looks like. Just do some swatches in the shop and see if I will like it. So I went there. This normally retails for 55 euros, so 55 to 56 euros, but I picked this up for 39 euros. So it was huge sales for me. Oh yeah, I can't even see the price, and I picked this up not a while ago. Anyway, oh yeah, I have this body oil in here that they give me for free. I think this one has soaked up the product. Yeah, you guys can see my hand is already has soaked up the receipt, but I'm not going to return it, so I'm cool. So I got this Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette and I am loving the colors. This is my first time picking this up because when it first came, I couldn't even get it in Holland. It was so difficult. By the time it comes in Holland, it's like the hype of it was gone. So I was like, let me just leave it. But then when I saw it on sales and I thought, you know what, I really wanted to try it. It's such a beautiful shade and these are all dark skin friendly. So I thought, let me pick it up. And I love the packaging. The packaging is like, you guys see the reflect. When I put it under the sun, it's crazy. It's really, really crazy. It has a beautiful brush. Like Anastasia Beverly Hills palette always have the brush. The shadows are really, really beautiful. They're really, really nice. I can't wait to give that a try. And for 39 euros, it's okay. It's okay. I like it. You know. So I thought, let me just pick this one up and come and do some review on it and see how it goes. And what did I get also on Issy Paris? I got some test perfumes for my daughter. You guys know every time I buy stuff, I always pick up the perfume, the test one, because I do have my own perfume. My daughter, if you give her a perfume to spray, she will not spray the perfume. She will take a shower with the perfume. She will spray her head, her neck, her feet, her back. She will spray every part of her body with perfume. She will just wash herself with the perfume. And if she stands next to you, even if the perfume have a beautiful smell, you will feel irritated because the smell is so much. So I always keep my perfume and banned her not to come to my bedroom anymore. So whenever I buy products in the store and they give like test product, I always ask for test perfume because this one I can give it to her and she can try. But I also want to pick up this perfume. I want to try because I sprayed this one in the store and it smells really, really beautiful, and she really likes beautiful and sweet smell. She's just 5 years of age, but yeah. So I thought, let me just pick this for her up as a gift because they give me for free. It's like a free test. So I tell the woman, just give me perfume. No need for you to give me any body cream or any testing face product. Just give me a free perfume. So I picked this 2 free perfume for her, and also I do have one that I got from the Douglas. So now she have like a couple of this. No, I don't have only one. I have like a couple of this. I give her one and then I keep the rest. So I have like few more. I have this little bag where I keep all the mini perfume that I collected for her. So for example, if she's going to school or we have program, we're going somewhere, instead of giving her my own perfume to spray, I'll just give her this because I know when I give her this, I'm not gonna get the bottle, the small packaging again, because when I give her, she will finish it there. So sometimes you spray her clothes and you wash the clothes and you still have the perfume smell on it. even if washing the clothes, like days, for days the clothes will smell the perfume. And I also got this testing Anastasia Beverly Hills shimmering body thing. I got it as a gift, just I wanted to test it to see how this look. So yeah, I'm gonna try that one today, one of these days when I'm doing my makeup. And the receipt is gone. I'm not gonna return this, so the receipt is, I don't have any problem if the receipts go. And you also got this tampon card from AC Paris. I think it's something new. When it's full, you get 30% cutting. So I think I'm going to use that 30% to buy this perfume for myself. But yeah, guys, this is everything I picked up. And let me know if you guys try this Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette. I feel like I'm about to come and do a review / demo on this. Oh, it has a small note here. I feel like I'm about to come and do review and demo on this Jackie Aina. Yo, this thing is so small. How the hell am I supposed to read this? I need some glasses, please. What's my glasses? I'll do it later. But yeah, I can't wait to come and try this Jackie. But yeah, I can't wait, guys. I'm so excited. So you guys watch out for that video. Will be up very soon because I'm not playing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for your love and support, Team Fullest, and I hope to see you guys very soon in my next video. If you guys have any question, let me know in the comment box, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.